today's video is a Shein collab. They did send me some stuff, so I will be unboxing it and installing a wig with y'all. The first things that they did send me were these macaroon oil little hair drops. I did choose these. I have not used these yet, y'all. Definitely excited to be using them. This is what they look like. You basically take them, break it, and oil your hair with it. It has oil in the inside, as y'all can see. It comes with 28 of them in here. I did get 2. Then inside it also comes with these day and night blemish patches. You can literally get pimple patches from everywhere. I'm pretty sure y'all done seen them. Different designs, different styles, circles, hearts, stars. I have not seen any with day and night, so I did get these. It says New Smoky. I believe this is, I'm not sure what this is, y'all. Oh, this is some lip gloss. Okay. It's some lip gloss, I believe, in the name New Smoky, in the shade New Smoky. It's like a brown color. Excuse my baby in the background. This is what it looks like. And all these products are from Slow Sunday. This is what it looks like. It does smell like oranges. Definitely smell like oranges. This is what it looks like. And you basically just rub this on your skin. So I will be using this in this video. I will be using these in this video. And I also will be using this. They also sent me a 6x4 wig. Inside of the box, it did come with a wig cap. Also a little information about Shein wigs. How to take care of it. Literally everything that you would need to know. First of all, this wig smells good. 10 out of 10. This is a 24-inch 6x4 closure wig. I definitely need to be at closure. I feel like all I've been wearing is frontals and clip-ins. So it was time for a on-the-go, easy on-the-go. And y'all, this wig comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-everything. Get into it. Get into it, get into it. Also has a part down the middle already. So all I really have to do is glue it down, or I could do glueless and basically flatten it. So we about to do just that and see what it gives. Okay. So y'all, in the reviews, it say one of these should be enough, but I feel like one is not, so we're going to use 2. And you could basically twist this off, or you could cut it off with a pair of scissors. It is up to you. If anybody have any tips on how to get my hair to stop shedding, please comment below. I don't know if this is a postpartum stage or what, but y'all, the front of my hair is shedding badly like never before. I don't know what to do. All I've been doing is trying to keep it braided, but it's like it barely wants to stay braided. I don't know.
But she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up.
So y'all, this is the final look. This is how my hair turned out. I did go in and curl it. I did not cut it at all, okay? I didn't cut no layers in this wig. I just curled it. I do want to cut layers in the front, but I think I'm going to wait until I wear it again. I definitely will be keeping this wig for my collection. Definitely will be turning into a on-the-go, middle part bust down wig. That's another reason why I didn't want to cut it, because I do want to wear it straight and do baby hairs with it. But this is the look. This is how it turned out. I did use my 1-inch curlers for this look. I am still learning how to curl, y'all. I am still learning how to curl, so please bear with me. Everything about this wig will be in the description box. Shout out to Shein, definitely 10 out of 10. Love a good closure wig. It is 24 inches, and I also feel like the curls just complements it very well. So yes, y'all, if I would like to purchase this wig, the exact link will be in the description box below. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase as well if you're interested in shopping with them. Definitely let them know that I did send you. Like, get into it. Not only that, y'all, this wig is glueless, okay? It is glueless. So, like, it's not glued on at all. That's another good thing about it. As I mentioned, everything will be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. It will be in the description box below as well. We are at 50K on the road to 100K. I know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.